Nowadays, lot of people are talking about citrus fruits to increase your immunity and protective actions. It is suggested that you should take the citrus fruits. This is lemon, and you can take juice of this seed, and for increasing your immunity from corona, there is one kriya in yoga that is called Sing Asana or Sing Kriya, because it is action oriented. So it is Kriya. Kriya means action. The lion in jungle eats raw meat and digests by doing some actions. That action is Kriya. And our great rishis and yogis observed the nature in jungle. So lion performs roaring lion, and this has been taken from the roaring lion. And this invigorates entire organs located above neck region. There are number of asanas, there are number of yoga postures. They have been taken from the nature, and the number of asanas are infinite because it is designed by our great rishis and yogis, and ultimate origin of yoga is Lord Shiva. So it is said, asanani cha tavanti yavanto jeev jataya etesam akilan vedanti janati maheshwara. The number of asanas, the postures, are as much as the species of life on this planet Earth, and species are infinite. Nobody can count. That is why it is said, Dijanati Maheshwara. Maheshwara is Lord Shiva. Only He knows how many asanas are there. So we should not bother about number of asanas. Right now, a posture, a kriya called Singhasana is being practiced. This can be done either standing or in sitting posture. So right now, I will do it, and you have to understand and then follow. Then massage. For best results from this kriya, you must select the conducive surrounding. Means it should be natural air, natural surrounding, and a rising sun. When the sun rays are falling in your mouth, it is sure that it will remove the infections inside. Falling sun rays and the pattern of breathing in and out forcefully ensures that the infections will be removed and the muscles of the organs, thyroid, parathyroid glands, salivary glands, and especially the pituitary gland, which is master gland of all the glands, it's activated. They are all activated. So this ensures the strengthening of your immune system, and you are certainly protected from the infections from the virus. It may be corona or some other common infections, common viruses. So this ensures protection of your breathing system, and the entry of disease through breath is restricted. But don't be too enthusiastic in its practice. Proceed slowly. Don't practice inside AC room, air-conditioned rooms. It is not good. Namaskar.